200. This is a premium quality youth machine for young riders. It has the same design principles as the full-size RZR, featuring the same double A-arm front suspension. It also features the same rear trailing arm rear suspension, a very similar design which you can see, with the rear arm and the parallel arms at the back. The RZR 200 is great for kids that just want to have fun. They can take their friend or their brother or sister with them. Each machine comes with helmets, the steering column is adjustable and the driver's seat is adjustable. We have a grab handle here for the passenger, and we have the same display arrangement that we have in the full-size machines. We also have a trickle charger point here. On our full-size display here, it shows you speed, all the same stuff as it does on the big machines, but in this machine there's a tracking app on it, GPS tracking, so you are able to set a geofence so your young riders can't go out with a certain area, and you're also able to control the speed that they ride at from your phone.